If you look up eco vending in Google, I think we'll pop up, and that's about it.
It's fresh, it's new, it's a new concept, and it's great for the environment, which is a little unheard of when you talk about street food and vending. So we've kind of taken the whole idea and made it eco-vending, which is a term we kind of created. It's vending with a green twist.
We're at the corner of 8th and H in the heart of Chinatown, Gallery Place, and we have this wonderful spot that the Downtown Bid has given us to kick off on the fly in DC. This is our prototype vehicle. It has real Mexican-style tacos from our chef Jordan Lichtman, and then we're partnering with Julia's Empanadas for the empanadas, and we're going to be rolling out more carts in about a week. We have a Teaism cart that we're bringing in. And the idea is for it to be really tasty first, really healthy, and local if possible. And so we're trying to also promote high quality local casual restaurants. And we love Teaism, we love Julie's Empanadas, and then we're gonna roll out Rockland's, which is personally my favorite barbecue in this region. So it'll be a combination of our food that we're producing and their food.
I ordered chicken and pork.
What's it smell like? Does it smell good?
Chicken and a tea. So that'll be.
Smells like I'm hungry.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. It is my first time.
How'd you hear about it?
NPR, actually. Yeah, so I was listening to it, and then my friend had been once before, and I thought, oh, well, I'll try it. So I was going to go to that salad place, but then I saw it was right here, and I was like, well, why not? So.
Business is going up about 20% a day, so it's really growing. And today we even have our chef out here because we've been so busy that he wants to sort of make sure that he understands the process and how we can serve the most people.
Are these unusually cramped quarters from what you're used to working in?
This is bigger than most of the DuPont Circle apartments I've lived in before, but little tight.
Well, you can expect a completely different street food experience from any other cart you would go to in DC. We don't have any hot dogs. Everything's natural, fresh, and organic. We have a lovely chef who makes everything back at our commissary. And it's all built on an electric vehicle, which is completely different. It's all green, great for the environment.
I used to work for a company called Zipcar, which was a car sharing company. And actually some of my cohorts here, like Adam and Tim, also did. So I like the idea of a business powered by mobile assets that you can move around. And we also like the idea of bringing food, in this case instead of transportation, to people where they live, work, and play. What we did is we partnered with GEM, which is a Chrysler company out of Fargo, and the basic vehicle itself is a GEM electric vehicle. And if you walk over here, I'll show you, it's got a standard 110 volt plug-in right here. You just lift this up and you can plug it in at night, which we do, and charge it, and it'll go 40 miles on a charge. So we actually have to charge it maybe 3 times a week.
What made you stop?
I liked that it said it was local and that it was fresh. I saw the smart car, and I know that they're coming to DC, and I'm excited about that, having an efficient vehicle. So I think having vendors driving efficient vehicles is exciting. And the eco vending is kind of cool. I didn't know this was here.
It's a good idea. I mean, why not? You know, whatever helps. I mean, when we have days like this, it's like, yeah, something that would help out the environment. Hey, I'm all for it. So,
you know, we don't talk about eco all the time because that's sort of obvious, right? But the food is fresh, it's produced locally, and we're having fun with our customers, and we're providing a good product that obviously is needed.
I'm gonna take a bite just for you. Yes.
One chicken.
I'm gonna take a bite of this chicken one. It's mine. Wow. That is very different and very good. And they've got a lot of different spice in it. And just some different ingredients. Not your normal taco, but it's absolutely fantastic.
You gonna come back?
I would definitely come back.
The idea is that you can create a sustainable business. You know, are we going to change the world with a few of these carts? No. But we're doing our part, and we're setting an example, we hope, for other businesses that not only is it the right thing to do, but it's good business and people like it, and you can do a lot more business. And I think that lesson can be taken to big corporations all the way down to little operations like us. And we hope to one day be a much bigger operation. And Gallery Place is a great place to start because it's such a smart growth mecca. It's such a mixed-use area. You have office buildings, you've got retail, you have the Verizon Center, and then you've got a lot of condo buildings and apartment buildings that are going up within 3 or 4 blocks of here. So it's absolutely the ideal place for something like On the Fly. Also, all of the refrigeration is custom built. It's plug-in also, so we can plug it in at night, and it'll stay cold all day. We have a backup generator if we need it, if we don't have power, but basically the entire thing is